Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so we're going to be doing a Valentine's look today. The first time I saw it was, I think Jeffree Star Cosmetics reposted it. It's a girl, Chloe MUA, and she did like little heart stamps, kind of like I did for the rainbow one for the James Charles, and I think it's really cute, so I'm going to do something like that. I got these little heart stickers. So my skin's not too bad. So I'm going to use my Stay Matte foundation. I've been watching the Fire documentary, and I was reading the tweet about how you should watch, was it Hulu? Whatever one is not the Netflix one. But like, I ain't trying to pay for another subscription. I only got Netflix, so like, I am watching the Netflix one. If y'all want to send me your password for whatever the fuck network, Hulu, Crave, fucking Roku, Roju, whatever the fuck, I don't know, send me your passwords for everything. I would love some free shit. Because my friends mooch off of my Netflix. You know who you are. Just using a little bit of my Colourpop Private Party. So now, should I do my eyebrows and then, yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then put my stickers on. I'm gonna use my Colourpop brow gel. So that was just my Colourpop micro brow gel and chocolate mousse. I'm just gonna fill some of the bald spots in my eyebrow in with the latte. Okay, now it's sticker time. Okay, so I'm going to be using a little bit of Jeffree Star Diva and a little bit of redrum. Just going to blend these out. I'm just going to be using a little bit of Love Letter and Venetian Red from the Modern Renaissance palette, because I want it to be more of like a pink red. I'm just going to take a little bit of my blush Rom-Com and go just kind of over top, just to kind of blur out the edges. Okay, so now onto the eyes. I think I'm going to do red liner. I'm going to line it with my light pink Lash time. I think I'm gonna use my Morphe lashes in Hot Stuff. Corners so they blend. Alright. Take off my stickers.
It's so cute.
Oh, I don't even like cute things. So now between Diva I don't know. I feel like I never do a hot pink. Okay, I'm gonna do Jeffree Star Diva. Can I take it back? I feel like this is too Barbie pink. That's MAC to Matte with Love. Okay, now I'm just gonna setting spray and highlight. All right, and the finished look. Alright, well, I think this came out so cute. I love doing little sticker stamps. Like, I don't know why. I feel like they always come out so cute. I'm like, ooh, bitch. Alright. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. And I know this may be a little weird considering my last video I wrote I hate you across my face. But, like, it's like a balance of love and hate. I've never been a romantic person, you could say. But who doesn't love a fun date? And I feel like that's what Valentine's Day is about, like a date and like probably some dick. Like, it's all a girl wants. So. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.